Oh,
Oh. Hey, what's going on up there?
well, unfortunately, my piloting skills are, shall we say, slightly underdeveloped.
Yeah, I think we can definitely agree on that.
Ratchet, we are clearly not prepared for this. We should have contacted the Rangers to warn them of the attack.
Haha, yeah, like they know who we are.
But you said they were your friends.
What? I think you caught me out of contacts. The Rangers are actually my, friends. Do you record everything I say? Do you record everything I say? We're going down.
Your sense of direction is impeccable.
I can fix this.